Nifungie hii.
Yangu siwezi hata mimi nataka kusimamisha. Sasa wewe uko karibu na sound kwanza.
Everyone ready?
A minute.
Ready to come back because the crowd will start moving.
Sawa.
Are we ready? Are we all ready? All right. What? Hi. Let's just have some order. Just a second. All right. Good afternoon, members of the press. We've been here. Are we ready now?
Yeah.
All right. Good afternoon, members of the press and the public which is watching. We have we cannot continue. It is distracting my flow. Continue. And this has no, I cannot continue until we have a disciplined environment. So I shall wait until all of us are ready. I hope that is the last distraction. Good afternoon, members of the press and the public that's watching. We have had such a successful day because as a spokesman of the national of the People's Assemblies, we have had a very successful street action because what we said as a collective is that we would have a presser yesterday and a dummy protest today, and we are more than elated that the police force woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning to be on the streets and none of us were on the streets. However, we've gathered here, I've spent the entire day together with my comrades at Central Police Station, ensuring and facilitating the release of 44 comrades who were picked off the street yesterday, and some of them were arrested in a hold matatu, and some were brutalized, as you saw, Akina Professor Ogola and Comrade Mobiora and Comrade Kesore. What we're saying is we've gotten to the point where we're tired of seeing young people killed. Whenever we give these people notices, they circumvent it and say that they've received intelligence that there will be goons. So what we've said is, again, we have stopped the business of demonstrating. Now we are starting to sing songs of praises to pray for the fall of this government. And that's exactly what we decided we would do. And if you saw us yesterday, it was just a little praise and worship session. So the tactic they're using here is a classic bureaucracy at play, because they want to keep us in the station until dusk, because they are afraid if we leave the station, there will be street action. From my analysis, they are going to release the comrades at the very earliest, at around 7:30 or 8 p.m. They don't want to say that, but there are comrades who have been brutalized in there. As one of our comrades was unfortunately beaten and the eye is still bleeding. One of them has not even received water. And this is the classic case of police brutality, which we are vehemently opposing. But we've said, under the watch of our coalition, and we invite people to join this coalition because it is a coalition that was birthed on the streets, because it is an instrument we are using to take political power. While we are still clamoring and there are people who are performing capture harvests, we've said that enough is enough. No more child is going to die under our watch. So part of our consolidated forces have done such a great job. We have a team of lawyers who are processing defenders.